forward of your CS exam fees which you have paid in June 2020 to December 2020. So ICSI has given you a notification for all the company secretary students on June 17th, 2020. So this notification talks about how you can write your December exam with the fees which you have paid in June. I will be sharing all the details, complete details in this video, which will be short and very useful for you. So please make sure that first good news is that if you're a CS student, you can carry forward the fees which you already paid. So if you don't want to write in August 2020, so you know very well now exam got postponed and there were so many students who were really crying about this. So finally it's postponed now and it is August which is there. So they are not going to postpone further. That is the first thing you need to understand. So if you are saying I paid rupees 1200 and I can't go for August 2020 exam, which is actually the June 2020 exam which was postponed, correct? If you are saying this, ICSI is telling yes, you can carry forward the fees. So you don't have to pay the fees again. You can opt out. So what can you do? You can opt out of August exam for whatever reason. You don't have a travel facility, or you're feeling it is not safe, your family is not comfortable for you to write exam. Whatever is your reason, you can write in December. Okay, you said, sir, I paid 2400 for the June exam. I want to write in December. So you have to pay 0. But you should not have written in August. That is important for you to understand. You can't fail the August exam and ask for carry forward. So carry forward fees is working something like this. June 2020 you have paid 1200, or let us say you are in CS professional, you paid 3600 rupees you paid. So for December 2020, you need not pay the fees again for your M1 or M2, or if you are in CS Professional M1, M2, M3, etc. If there is a very big if you opt out of June 2020 exam. What is the June 2020 exam? Which was scheduled to be August 2020. This new timetable which you have got, right? That August 18th that to 28th. So that exam. So very simple. So what is the second point the notification is telling? So ICSI is telling all the students you can carry forward the fees. So you don't have to pay the fees again, but very important if you opt out of the August exam. So if you write in August, okay, you write in August 2020 and you fail the exam, then you cannot say I want to carry forward my fees and all that. No. So once you have written the exam, you pass or fail, you won't get back the money. But for one time, you can carry forward the fees for the next attempt. It could be 1 or 2 module, whatever. Next thing is, this is one common question every student asks. So what about additional module? So let us say, for example, June 2020, you have paid 1200 rupees for CS Executive Module 1. You have planned to write the exam. Okay. Now you will opt out of that exam. Okay, June 2020 means whenever we say June 2020, now it is August 2020 because it was postponed. So you opt out of August 2020 exams. Okay, that time what happens? In December 2020, you are planning to write, I am going to write module 1 plus module 2. I want to write in December 2020 because June I could not write, August exam got postponed, that is also I'm not going to write. But I had planned to write module 1, but now I want to write module 1 and module 2. Or if you are in CS Professional, module 1 plus module 2 plus module 3. I want to write all the 3. That time, since you have already paid 1200, you need to pay additional 1200 only. Or if you have paid 1200 and now your fees is 3600 for 3 modules CS Professional, you have to only pay the difference amount. Okay. So 1200 to be paid, not 2400. Why? Because you are opting out. You are opting out of August 2020 exam. Very simple. This is executive or professional, whatever you are writing. Okay. When ICSI opens the fee portal for December, that time you need to pay the balance. Let us take example. So there is a CS Professional student. They paid 1200 rupees for M1. And they are opting out of the June 2020 exam, that is which is going to happen in August. Now in December, the same CS professional students want to write M1, M2 and M3. So what is the fees they have to pay? 3,600 to write the exam in December. But they already paid 1,200. So balance amount 2,400 they have to pay. When should they pay? You cannot pay now. Okay, you cannot pay now as on date of recording this video. When ICSI is going to give you the option. So usually that will be sometime in September 2020, they'll give you the option. That time you can pay them the balance amount which you want to pay for your additional module. So that is how the additional modules is there. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. I can always answer your questions. Next, the fourth point which we are talking in this notification is partial carry forward is not allowed. Partial carry forward, what is that? I have paid 2,400 rupees. Okay, that is for M1 plus M2 in CS Executive, for example. Okay, now you are telling me give me rupees 1,200, that is M1 carry forward only I'm going to do. I'm going to do only M1 carry forward, M2 I'll write in August. No, you can't do all that. If you want to carry forward, please remember that you need to carry forward all the modules which you have done. See, it's your wish whether you want to write the exam or not, but you will not get the fees option. Please remember that. Let us say you have taken your decision. So now you have to take your decision between June 20 to June 30 about this carry forward. Whether you want to opt out or write August 2020 exam. So please remember that suppose you have paid 2,400. Now you want to carry forward, you have to carry forward all the modules. You cannot say only for M1 I'm going to write in August, then in M2 what I've already paid 2,400 to you, you please adjust that when I write December exam. No, ICSI will not adjust. So carry forward is only for all the modules. So let us look at that, you'll understand in a clear picture. Partial carry forward shall not be allowed. For example, if any student has applied for appearing in 2 modules in June, what I told you, but now he wants to appear only 1 module in June and he wants to carry forward the another module in December, that will not be allowed. So if you have committed to write the 2 modules M1 plus M2 in June, if you want you can write M1, but you will not get the carry forward option. You have to again face fees for December 2020. So if you want to carry forward both. That is the simple message ICSI is giving you for people writing 2 modules. So now when should you do this? So when should you opt out? When you should opt out, or when you should have the chance? When do you have the chance? Simple, June 20 to June 30. Between this date you have to go to ICSI website and you have this procedure. You have to just follow this procedure. Go to the ICSI portal over here and you can do the necessary procedures and you can take this option. So please remember, students, once you take this option, it is final. You cannot say okay, I will write in December, then you'll say no, sorry, everything is fine now, corona is reduced in my area, so I will write in August. No, once you decide, you should decide between June 20 to June 30. Okay, and once you decide, whatever you decide, it is final. So if you decide that okay, I will write in December, that is final. Or June 30th, you have not done carry forward, you did not do all these procedures, then you have to write in August. Even if you don't write in August, that is your wish, but you will not get the fees carry forward option for yourself. So this is the form and all that, you can look at it. Now the main question, old syllabus, what about us? Every old syllabus student, executive and professional, is asking me. Very simple, don't worry, you can write in December 2020 in old syllabus. So basically even old syllabus student can opt out. Very simple. If you are an old syllabus student and you feel that I cannot write in August 2020 for whatever reason relating to COVID, and it is very dangerous in your area, or your family is not comfortable, since the original exam was in June and ICSI has given you the option to opt out, you can also opt out like new syllabus student, and you will be having the exam in December. So you can write in December 2020, you can opt out old syllabus student, please don't worry. So ICSI has not clarified if you fail. Okay, now let us say your old syllabus. Okay, your old syllabus, what will you say? Okay, I am going to write in August 2020, I will not carry forward. Then you will fail in August 2020. That time, if you fail, I don't know whether ICSI will give you permission to write in December. There is no clarity, and this is too early for ICSI to December. So if you can write or not, there is no clarity from ICSI. So right now, the safer option is old syllabus. Very simple. Make sure that you go for December 2020 because you are given the chance by ICSI. So old syllabus, there is no worry for you. Just go and write in December 2020. You're getting better time to prepare. So make sure that you fill this form and you do all the necessary formalities and go for the option out. So now this is what the notification says, and if you want any more help related to exam, please make sure that you can download our free Android app, which is Excel Academy Online. Excel Academy Online. This is our Android app. It's a free app. Also, we have our website excelacademy.com. So what is my personal opinion here? My personal opinion, that is why I'm written here. My personal opinion. Please write in December 2020 with the best preparation, because right now things are very, very, very uncertain and parents are also not very comfortable to send you to the exam, and we are always there to help you. We can also, I'll just show you some of the courses which we have, so that if you want, we can help you with the online coaching also. So if you see, we have tax law, financial management. So all these courses you will be getting the benefits when you enroll with Excel Academy. So we'll be there where we have mock test also. We have, if you want the entire modules, we can also give you at a very, very discounted price. You can get all the modules, or if you want mock test, that is there. Then if you want only individual subjects, that option is also there for you. So we are there to definitely support you. We have many free courses also. You can even take those free courses if required, and we are always there to support you. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. We will also be doing a live session relating to this, whether you should opt out. Okay, the live session should be, should I opt out? So we'll be doing a live session on this also. So right now this is a notification, and if you have any doubts, please do let me know.